Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video I will cover an important portion of records that I forgot to mention in the previous lecture, and that is records cannot extend other classes. I deleted a person, so let me just create person quickly. And records cannot extend because records are already a subclass, and since Java prevents multiple inheritances, you cannot inherit another superclass for records. You can, however, implement implements let us say the comparable. Just as an example, you can implement an interface. Implement method. So you can implement an interface, but you cannot inherit another class. And that is it with regards to this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.